Good morning students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. When you go out, wear your mask, wash your hands and take bath and be safe at home. Okay children? So I am very glad to meet you in this academic year. In this academic year we have to start our education through this video classes. So we are uploading videos children. We are taking more effort for you to make study at home. Okay children, so don't waste your time. Watch these videos and reply. Okay. Now before going to lesson, shall we see a video?
When someone's in trouble and they need your help, make sure they're okay. When someone's in trouble and they need your help, what's the thing to say? You say, how can I help? What can I do? I want to do a nice thing for you. How can I help? What can I do to make things better for you?
Okay. Did you watch the video? What did you come to know from this video? Yes, you have to help those who are in need. Okay children, you have to help your mom, your dad, your siblings, your grandparents and your friends, those who are in need. Okay children, by this moral, let's go study the lesson. Okay? Now let's start our English first lesson in 3rd standard. Okay children, so our first lesson is our kitchen. Here there is a picture of our kitchen. Here a girl by name Nila, she is asking a question. Hi, I am Nila. I help in the kitchen. Do you? Here Nila is helping her mom in the kitchen. Children, do you help your mom in the kitchen? Yes, you have to help your mom in the kitchen. உங்களால முடிஞ்ச சின்ன சின்ன helps எல்லாம் மம்மிக்கு செய்யணும். Okay children? Next, we are going to study about kitchen utensils, the name of the utensils and its uses. Okay, you know the names in Tamil, but now we are going to study it in English. Okay, now let's see the names. Look at this picture children. This is strainer. Spell the word S-T-R-A-I-N-E-R. Strainer. Strainer means vadigetti. Strainer is used to strain tea or vegetable juices like carrot juice, beetroot juice. Okay children, next is funnel. Spell the word funnel. F-U-N-N-E-L. Funnel. Funnel is used to pour liquid into small openings like bottle or can, like that. Okay. Then mixer. Spell the word mixer. M-I-X-E-R. Mixer. Mixer is used to grind chutneys, masalas. Okay, it makes cooking, it helps in cooking faster. Okay. Next is pot. Pot. P-O-T. Pot. Pot. We can keep water in it, so we can store cool water in it in summertime. Okay. Then spell the word stove. S-T-O-V-E. Stove. Gas stove is used for cooking. Next is knife. K-N-I-F-E. Knife. Knife means katti. Knife is used to cut vegetables, fruits and everything. But you have to handle it with care. Okay children? Next one is peeler. Spell the word P-E-E-L-E-R. Peeler. Peeler is used to remove the outer skin of vegetables and fruits. Next is churner. Churner na mattu. Churner is used to smash dal, spinach. Okay. Spell the word C-H-U-R-N-E-R. Churner. Next one is cutting board. Cutting board na vegetables vachu cut பண்றதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ற board. Okay, cutting board is used to cut vegetables. Spell the word C-U-T-T-I-N-G, cutting. B-O-A-R-D, board, cutting board. This is tablespoon. You all know that tablespoon is used to eating purpose. Okay, spell the word T-A-B-L-E, table. S-P-O-O-N, spoon, tablespoon. Next one is tongs. Tongs means idiki. It is used to take out papad. While frying papad, you can take out papad or small vessels. You can use it. Okay, spell the word T-O-N-G-S, tongs. Then pan, P-A-N, pan. Pan is used for frying things. This is ladle, L-A-D-L-E, ladle. Ladle na karandi. Ladle is used to pour sambar or anything else. Then this is kettle, K-E-T-T-L-E, kettle is used to boil water, coffee or tea to make it hot. Okay, next one is tumbler, T-U-M-B-L-E-R, tumbler. Tumbler is used to drink water, coffee or tea. This is lota. Lota na chombu. Lota is used to drinking water. Next one is lemon squeezer. Spell the word L-E-M-O-N, lemon. S-Q-U-E-E-Z-E-R, lemon squeezer. Lemon squeezer is used to extract lemon juice and make lemon juice. Okay. Next one is plate. P-L-A-T-E, plate. Plate is used for eating purpose. This is rolling pin. R-O-L-L-I-N-G, rolling. P-I-N, pin. Rolling pin is used to make chapatis, puris. Tray. T-R-A-Y, tray. Tray is used to carry coffee or tea and serve others. This is bowl. B-O-W-L, bowl. Bowl. In bowl we can cut vegetables, fruits and keep it, and you can put some snacks and eat also. Okay. Next is cup and saucer. You all know that cup and saucer is used to drink coffee or tea. Spell the word C-U-P, cup. S-A-U-C-E-R, saucer, cup and saucer. This is grater. G-R-A-T-E-R, grater. Grater na thuruvrathu. Grater is used to grate coconut, carrot, beetroot. You can grate this and use it for cooking purpose. Okay. Now let's say the spelling of this utensils again, children. Spell the word funnel. F-U-N-N-E-L, funnel. Strainer. S-T-R-A-I-N-E-R, strainer. Mixer. M-I-X-E-R, mixer. P-O-T, pot. Stove. S-T-O-V-E, stove. Tongs. T-O-N-G-S, tongs. Pan. P-A-N, pan. Kettle. K-E-T-T-L-E, kettle. Ladle. L-A-D-L-E, ladle. Plate. P-L-A-T-E, plate. Tumbler. T-U-M-B-L-E-R, tumbler. Cutting board. C-U-T-T-I-N-G, cutting. B-O-A-R-D, board, cutting board. Tablespoon. T-A-B-L-E, table. S-P-O-O-N, spoon, tablespoon. Peeler. P-E-E-L-E-R, peeler. Knife. K-N-I-F-E, knife. Lota. L-O-T-A, lota. Bowl. B-O-W-L, bowl. Tray. T-R-A-Y, tray. Churner, C-H-U-R-N-E-R, churner. Rolling pin, R-O-L-L-I-N-G, rolling, P-I-N, pin. C-U-P, cup. And saucer, S-A-U-C-E-R, saucer. Grater, G-R-A-T-E-R, grater. Lemon squeezer, L-E-M-O-N, lemon squeezer, S-Q-U-E-E-Z-E-R, squeezer. Look at these words, children. Today's homework is you have to write this 15 words and take a photo and send it to me. Okay, children? Study and write this in your note and send it to me. This is today's homework. Okay, children? Thank you.